Hey, it's Frank from 40 Honeybee, and I'm going to check this hive here. This is my black Carniolan queen, and the reason why I want to check it is just that I split it. It had some swarm tendencies 3 weeks ago. I split it, and since then I've had 2 visits here, 13 June and 20 June, where I haven't seen the queen, but I've seen lots of eggs and lots of larvae. So I'm going to have a go through here, just see if they, first of all, I can spot the queen, and secondly, if they maybe need a new box. This queen I've made a fool of myself with because, first of all, I wasn't expecting her in the spring, so she must have been a late fall swarm, but she has just done amazingly. But then she wanted a swarm, so I moved her, and she was a big black Carniolan, which I marked white, and I said a couple of times, how could you ever miss this queen in an inspection, because she stands out so much. And sure enough, I've missed her in the last 2 inspections. So there you go. Don't speak too soon and don't be too cocky. Bees always find a way to make you humble. So they still have lots of building out to do, so I'm not concerned about adding another box to this hive yet. Yeah, this side, they're still barely touching, just starting to draw out. This other side here, they're drawing out, kind of wonky in one spot. I'm just gonna let them go. Overall, these bees are dark, you know? And you'll get that kind of variation from hive to hive. You get some that look really light. You'll see some that have few stripes or no stripes, some that have lots of stripes. These are dark. Ooh, there's some nice larvae. Sorry, some nice capped brood. Like I said, it's not a question that the queen isn't doing her job and doing it well. It's just that I haven't seen her. So, and I mean, part of it is ego, of course. You want to see the queen. You want to say that you've seen the queen. But part of it also is, you know, could this queen have swarmed? Like, I don't know. She could have. There's definitely a queen in here laying, but it might not be the one that I marked. You just never know. These bees have a way. Wow. More beautiful brood. Nice pollen that they're bringing in there. See the one with the yellow, very yellow pollen sacs? Right now we're still in a really good honey flow. We're just at the risk of being a little too dry, but we're getting hot, so we're getting the afternoon convective activity that brings those thunderstorms. But everything is blooming right now. Clover, alfalfa, creeping Charlie, Queen Anne's lace. Just look. It's like there is food everywhere for these bees, and as long as the moisture stays intact, the nectar flow will keep flowing. That's what we need. Had a little bit of rain the night before last, but we need a bit more, I think. And the best situation is that afternoon convective rain. I mean, get a lot of rain at once, that's not great for crops and such, but for bees, they have the whole day to forage, and then the next morning they wake up to moist conditions. Water is easier to get. I don't see this queen yet, but I see her work. My goodness, it's fabulous. She's got a lot of brood coming in. It's 3 frames of brood in a row. There's probably going to be another one right here. Yep. Beautiful. Look at this one too, just stunning. I mean, her pattern is amazing. She barely misses a spot. And when these bees start hatching, it's 4 frames in a row, both sides of brood. This hive is going to be pretty jammed. Okay, here's a frame she could be on. Got a queen cell started there. So maybe that's telling. I'm going to have to look closely at that queen cell. Yeah, there's eggs on this frame. So that might be a supersedure cell. They're tending to it for sure. Look. She might be on the other side of this frame. I don't see her. Let's see if we got eggs in here. I don't see eggs in here. This queen should be on this frame. Okay, stop making so much noise. There she is. Goodness gracious. How can I keep missing this queen? Look at her. How do I miss such a beautiful black beauty? The white dot on her. Wow, she's amazing. Alright, so I've finally seen her. Now I will destroy all these silly queen cups that they're making. She was pretty camera shy. See how she just snuck onto the other side of the frame? Yeah, that's my excuse. Well, persistence pays off. You see, there are several signs as to where your queen should be or where you can expect her. You see, you went from solid larva to cap brood to eggs, which meant she had to be close. So, okay, we're going to get this frame back in, leave her be, and know that this hive is really doing well. There she is on the other side, see? She does not like to be on camera. No problem, I get you, queen. Let's get you back in there. All right, so this hive continues to be a going concern, which means it's good. And we will let them go at 40 honeybee.